Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Slimania. In today's episode, we will be making a cake icing slime. The ingredients you'll need are contact lens solution, PVA glue, bicarbonate of soda, sprinkles, some candy charms, a glass bowl for the slime, and a wooden spoon to mix it with. Firstly, I'm going to add just about as much as the base of the bowl of PVA glue. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda. If you're struggling to find bicarbonate of soda, you can find it in your local supermarket in just like in the baking aisle, you know, where the cakes are and the icing, sugar and the sprinkles and all that kind of stuff. Mix the mixture well until it starts to become this liquid which the baking soda has dissolved into. Because I'm making cake icing slime, I'm going to leave my icing white and not add any colour today. First, before I add my charms and sprinkles, I'm going to activate my slime. Add about 2 or 3 drops of saline solution. I think I'm going to add just a few more drops to my slime. You can find saline solution in any pharmacy in the UK or an optician. Okay. Once your slime has started to come off from sticking to the bowl, you can start to knead it with your hands. Wow, this slime feels very sticky. Keep kneading until it no longer sticks to your hand, like this. My slime feels very cold, but it feels soft and nice and stretchy and just like icing of a cake. Now I'm going to add my sprinkles and the charms. I'm going to add just a little bit of sprinkles in the middle of my slime and then fold it in. It looks amazing. It really reminds me of cake icing. The sprinkles really give it that effect. Now it's time to add my charms. If you're using real sprinkles, you might start to notice that the colour starts to change, which is why I'm adding just a little bit of charms. Okay, I'm going to add more sprinkles just to make my slime look more delicious. I'm going to sprinkle some sprinkles on the table and then get ready to roll for my slime swirl. Now roll it in like a sausage, then fold it and repeat the process. Now put one end to the table and roll it around. There you have it, cake icing slime.